Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Saber, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Saber. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Gudetama Cookbook. Sarah, what are you making from the cookbook today? Oh my gosh. And the name of the video. We're making super instant ramen. Wow. Look at that. Look at Gudetama. I tried my best to make it look the same. I tried so hard. And I only got so far. But in the end, and it didn't even matter. So what we're making today. We're making some sleepy, lazy day ramen, which is perfect because I have been having no energy lately. So here we are, easing back into it with a Gudetama Cookbook recipe. So I haven't made anything from this cookbook in a hot minute. So I feel like I need to give this cookbook a little bit more love. So here we are. But here's what the photo looks like. This makes one serving, but I'll be making 2 servings because it's me and Mr. Bear's dinner. So yeah, we have something right up here. The ingredients aren't too bad, honestly. It's just it's literally easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then we just have, and we have something down here, which I almost forgot. So let's go ahead and read up here, and then let's read down here. Instant ramen is universally known as the lazy person's go-to meal. And with good reason. It's easy, no fuss, and extremely satisfying. Don't be bound to the simple directions on the package. Step up regular ramen with a few added fixings that will elevate it to great heights. A little heat from kimchi, oh, I love kimchi, a few veggies, and instantly you've got a full-blown meal without really lifting a finger. Okay, full disclosure, you will have to lift a finger. I have to lift at least like both of my hands, so yeah. Alright, and then down here it says, don't stress about not having the right ingredients. Instead, work with what you've got. You can change the flavor of this dish completely by switching out a few key components. Stir a spoonful of miso into the broth, sprinkle some crumbled seaweed on top, or add a snoozy shoyu egg, page 45. Oh man! To change things up, make the recipe your own and don't spend too much time thinking about it. There's a hot bowl of noodles waiting for you. I should make the egg. I'll make that later. I'll come back for like a round 2. Let me know in the comments if you want me to come back to this recipe and make the fancy egg with it. Because I didn't prepare whatsoever to do that today. So, but I make ramen all the time. I love eating. I love making myself fancy ramen, I like to call it, and it's adding a bunch of random stuff into it anyway. There was this hyperfixation period where I was eating nothing but ramen after work. It would just be, oh my god, I would just only eat. I still love it. I'm like not like, I never got tired of it. I never got burnt out on it. But yeah, there was a period where I just ate only that and it's still delicious, and then I would get fancy with it because I was eating it all the time. And anyway, we're back at it, eating this ramen. I don't think I had to give you that information, but now you have it. You're welcome. But it's gonna be so easy. This isn't gonna take long at all. And I've got a new camera to try. So we're gonna see how it works making of the recipe. So woo, time to make some ramen. Oh, we didn't even read what we have to do. In a small skillet over medium-high heat, fry the spam, cut into strips and set aside. Bring the chicken broth to a boil, add the instant ramen noodles and cook for 2 minutes. Stir in the flavor packet, crack the egg into the boiling broth, cover and let sit for 2 minutes. Pour into a bowl, top with spam, corn, kimchi, and green onions. I went from these to bring you a princess. Dude, that looks good as shit. Holy fuck. And with the chicken broth, ooh, okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. This is hot. Here it is. I'm excited to eat it. Well, my kitchen's a mess, but that was so easy to make and it took like 15 minutes. Fuck yeah. So now we have dinner made. Hell yeah. Now to try it. I'm gonna have it right here because it's hot and you can't see it, but trust me, it's right here. I got some egg and corn in there. This is solid. Let's get some kimchi in there. With some ramen. I love kimchi with ramen. That was my justification too. Whenever I was eating the ramen, I would eat it with kimchi and I'd be like, I'm eating it with kimchi. It's healthy. Nope. Hear that crunch? Take a bite of this. Damn, who made that? Those taste good. I did. I made it. Alright. I tried it. I love it. I'm gonna demolish this bitch. The cookbook recipes and how I've been taking so long. I keep taking breaks. Who knows if I'll take more in the future. Okay, so like, but I got a cookbook done. I got a recipe done, so hope you guys like it. If not, then damn, okay. But I love ramen. I just love ramen. I like the pork chasdu ramen, especially when it's spicy. That's just so good. So I just really like ramen or any kinds. I like soba noodles. I like the rice noodles. I like all kinds of noodles. Noodles are just awesome, dude. If you guys have a favorite kind of ramen, what kind of ramen do you like to make? Or what kind of ramen do you like to get at fancy places? What's your version of a fancy ramen? I think this counts as a fancy ramen, and then when I go out to eat it and I'm paying for it, that's luxury. That's luxury ramen. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me until the end of the video. I truly do appreciate your guys' support on watching these and, like, you know, following along or just watching them just to watch them while you eat or something. It's a nice chill time. I hope it remains a chill time because I try not to show my panic too much in these videos. So, though sometimes it's inevitable. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Gudetama Cookbook, there's a list of options right here for you. Yeah. So, yeah, just let me know. It just takes me a little bit longer to go through the Gudetama one because I'm primarily focusing on the Adventure Time Cookbook. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show the ingredients list. So, baby, for real? Okay, well, cut.